Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to open up my FabFitFun edit sale, winter edit sale, some FabFitFun sale, and we are gonna do a mystery bundle battle. So I scrolled back to see how long it's been, and it said that we posted the poll for our last mystery bundle 2 months ago. So it's been a long time. Catherine and I both had life things get in the way, but I do get to announce that I did win this mystery bundle battle. It said the bundle with the brush set. Was this when I got the brushes with the bees on them? And hers was the bundle with all the masks. She had like hair mask, skincare mask. I think she had like all the types of masks, but total I had 416 votes, and Catherine said that her vote was 50-50, and I'm gonna put that up on screen right now because you know I looked it up too. So she said hers was 50-50, but mine, we won 61%. So I think, but I don't know, because apparently, even though I'm competitive, I'm not good at keeping track. We've been doing them for a while, so it's kind of hard to track them all, but I think we're tied 2-2. Whatever the case is, I am not losing. I think. I'm either tied or winning or barely losing. You know, we don't know, but we're gonna go look it up. We're gonna look it up, not right this second because it's gonna require me looking through all the videos. We should put it all on a playlist. I'm gonna put them all on one playlist. So in case you want to keep track and keep score, because you guys care who wins, right? If you are not visiting me from Catherine's channel and you don't know who Catherine is, let me tell you about her. She is absolutely amazing. Unboxes, I would probably say like 20 times the number of boxes that I unbox. Boxes of all types, like soap box and tea box, and I'm trying to think of another one that's different. I don't know, but all the boxes. Oh, she had essential oil box too, but I think she doesn't do that one anymore, so that was a really poor example. But she does have a great variety on her channel, doesn't stick to just one thing, kind of like a jack of all trades, you know what I'm saying? Plus, you get to listen to her extremely soothing voice every single unboxing. She's also just a really good human, like a really good friend. She's been there for me through some of, like, I feel like I always have to tell her some crazy thing that's happening or some story, and I'm a freak out girl, okay? I have like anxiety. Even today I'm supposed to be filming this video and my washing machine keeps tripping my breaker and my dog puked on my new rug. It's a washable rug, okay? I spent 5 hours like back and forth trying to figure out why my washing machine, I had an old house, never tripped it. New house, it does. Apparently I have this thing called a square D GCFI or GFCI or G something I, and apparently that one trips more easily. But I didn't know that, so I kept trying different things, like let me plug it in this plug, let me plug it in that plug, let me see if I can't run the washer and dryer at the same time. Is it the dryer? Is it the washer? Is it both of them? And it became the end of the world to me that I could not wash this rug. I sat in my garage, like sitting on the floor, crying, being so dramatic, like so dramatic. Catherine and I were talking about this video because I was gonna film this video. And so she was like, it's fine, we can move it a day, or like, she's just so sweet, okay? So if you don't know her, she's just like the sweetest person and cares about people so much. And then is also amazing to watch on YouTube. So I think I've talked enough about my opponent, by the way. So let's dig into my box. I think it's an edit sale box, and we will do the mystery bundle battle at the end of the video. I'm not even sure if this box has it. I think it does because I opened it and retaped it just to see like what is in this box. But when I moved, I did have to retape it, and this also has a bunch of unhides because I'm obsessed with unhide here. And I just got these really cute baskets. I'm gonna insert a photo right now of my cute baskets for my loft and my living room. So I'm so excited about that because all these unhides are gonna go in that. I don't even know how many cream unhides I have, but I had 2 silver unhides because I got 2 winter boxes to get 2. And then the shop had them for $15, and you know, I cannot remember who told me, I'm gonna put her name on screen because she told me and then I told you guys and a bunch of you were like, oh my gosh, thank you so much for telling me. I would have missed that. And it sold out like the same day. Shout out to her for telling me that in the first place. And I grabbed 2 more right away. So we're gonna set these to the side. I don't need to talk too much about them other than if you don't know what they are, it's like anti-fur, faux fur company, and it feels so soft, like so soft. It's supposed to be faux chinchilla, and you know. I also have a way of making it fluffy again if yours is not fluffy anymore, and I feel like I need to do a video about that because I've had more than one person say like, I think it's time to throw mine away. Do not throw yours away. There is a trick to make it fluffy again. So the other thing I got, this was not in the shop, so I ended up putting everything in one box because I didn't need 2 boxes while I was moving. So I got this tote bag, and I don't know if it'll show up because it's like just gold, but it has a map across it, and I'm obsessed with things that are maps. It also has this little thread here, and you will take the thread and mark your travels on the tote bag. How cute is that? Okay, it's 100% cotton, and it just says "So where you've been." It's called Chasing Threads. If you see this again in the FabFitFun sales and you have a friend who loves to travel, trust me, she will love, love, love this. And now for our favorite part, the mystery bundle battle against Catherine. This is my mystery bundle. The way this works is I show you my bundle. After you are done watching this video, you will go watch Catherine's video and she will show you her bundle. Then you are gonna vote which bundle you like more. We honestly still don't have a prize for the winner or a challenge for the loser or whatever we're gonna do, but we keep talking about doing that. So give us some ideas down below. So you're gonna wanna go over to our community tab and vote, and I will link that in the description. You cannot be on iPad. I'm so sorry for my iPad users. Community does not work, but it does work on desktop and mobile app. You just have to click the link, or you can also like click on our profile, our little circle of my face. Then there'll be little tabs and you can click community from that tab. And on there, we will both have a poll up. Usually we do it for like a week or 2. Sometimes we do it for 2 months because we just forget that we had a mystery bundle. But you're also gonna wanna comment on this video and on Catherine's video, because in addition to voting and one of us winning, you guys have a chance to win on this video too. We wanted to do something where you guys could win on our mystery bundle battle. Like one of us always gets to win. Why not one of you? So they'll win a winter 2020 surprise bear box shipped out to them. It's open to US and Canada because that is where Goldie Box ships. All you have to do is comment on both videos, and you have 2 chances to win because she's gonna pick someone with a random comment picker and I'm gonna pick someone with a random comment picker. And we will ship out 2 surprise boxes to one of you. So comment your favorite item, comment why you're gonna vote, who you're gonna vote for. Comment like, Jess, I really like your hair curly, stop straightening it. Please don't comment that. Everybody always tells me that anyways, and I don't listen, so don't waste your comment on that, but comment something else. You comment that down below and that is your chance to win. It doesn't have to say anything special in my video. You'll have to listen to her rules. We decided we were gonna pick the winners on Sunday, February 28th using the random comment picker. We'll announce it on our channels. So you will see a video on my channel. She will announce it on her channel. And that's how we'll pick the 2 winners, and those people will get in contact with us so we have the address to send their surprise bear box to. So super excited. I'm glad that I get to like send extra surprise bears. It has been amazing to watch you guys unbox them, post them on Instagram, like hear your comments, and you have no clue. It has been amazing, and it's gonna be even better that I get to send 2 extra ones out. So that is the prize. Make sure you comment down below. Now, let us open the bundle that's gonna win. Let's start with the tote bag, because I think I already own this tote bag. It is from Summer and Rose, and I believe this was in a summer box. Not that I don't love tote bags, but I just have way too many tote bags, so usually I pick something else from the different options. This has a rope handle, and just this like cute little, I don't know what you would call this print. Does it tell you? No, it just says beach tote. Oh, it actually says Global Gift Foundation USA Girls in Action Alliance with Eva Longoria. So it was when Eva Longoria was our, like, cover girl. And next, ooh, I already like this because it says organic infused. And it's a little set of 2 in here. I think it's Adesse, maybe Adesse. One thing you should learn, I do not know how to pronounce anything, and I confidently say it sometimes like I do. So sometimes people are like, is that how you say it? I said like micellar water, and someone's like, I thought it was micellar water. And I'm like, no, trust me, if you think I'm wrong, I am wrong. I'm just pretending to be confident. So here we have Adesse, New York, organic infused nail lacquer gel effect, or organic infused, I shouldn't say or, and organic infused age-defying nail treatment. It is a sweet almond cuticle oil. I feel like this is like, Catherine's gonna vote for me. So she's not even gonna vote for herself, okay? So Catherine loves cuticle oils. And this color is super like granola-y. That's not the right word. Back here it does have Leaping Bunny. Love Leaping Bunny. That's better than cruelty-free because the entire supply chain is involved. It's also recognized worldwide. I don't know what another word to say for this is, but it's just like, it's not really a color. Reading this is like all the good things. Cruelty-free, vegan, Leaping Bunny certified, made in the USA, 12 free, does not contain all these like toxic things, not tested on animals, EU compliant, and the name is Soho Chic. So then this one is just an almond oil, cuticle oil. All the same things probably as the other one, 12 free, all of that. It's also gel effect and says no light needed, and you only need 2 coats. That's definitely a win, even though I don't paint my nails all that often. Okay, this next thing, this is so cute. It's like really tiny in this big old box. It's from Ashley Mary. And it's a Bluetooth speaker, but it's on a keychain, and I so want to try this right now, but we'll get copyrighted no matter what I play. So hold on, maybe I'll play Catherine. Maybe we'll listen to Catherine on YouTube. I think it's so cute just because it's so little. It's not my fave color. It's kind of like a pinkish purple. It's just so tiny that makes it so cute. Oh my gosh, it is super cute. I want to know how much sound we're gonna get from this little tiny thing. This is the speaker. It's attached to a keychain. Let's see, is this pre-charged at all? Bluetooth mode. Whoa! Okay, so it looks like it's pairing. I don't think I need to, could you guys hear that? I don't think I need to play Catherine. So the little speaker's on this side, and then it looks like right here it's flashing so that I can connect my phone or whatever I'm gonna play. I don't know why this is so cool to me. It comes with a charger, so it's rechargeable. I feel like I could win this one. These are pretty useful things, and they're interesting things. It's not like the normal, here's a serum, you know? I like it. I like the variety. My last thing is a mask from Miamica, I think. Something like that. And this says travel eye mask. Well, we're not traveling, so less useful, but you know, it says dream big on it, and I feel like that suits what I'm doing right now, starting my own business. Feels nice. Does it say what it's made out of? 100% polyester. All right, well, that's not anything special, but it's not too tight. Like, that's the one thing. I cannot sleep if this is super tight. Some of them are unreal, and maybe I have like a little bit of a big head, but I don't know. Some of them like really hurt me and give me headaches, but this is pretty loose and stretchy. So love it. Black and gold is totally my thing too. Like, my room's gonna be black, gold, and teal. I'm honestly really happy with my bundle. I will not use the tote, but it's still something that's very useful. Like, I think this is a pretty solid bundle for anyone to get. I don't think I have a dud here where I'm just like, that's a trash item. They just put that in there as a filler. Like, I actually think all of this is useful. I'd be very happy to gift this tote or to give it away, and I wouldn't feel like I'm just giving it away because it sucks. I'm just giving it away because I don't need it. I am very happy with my mystery bundle, so fingers crossed that I can win a third one. It might be in a row, 3 in a row. It's gonna go to my head. I'm gonna just like, Next time you're gonna see me and I'm gonna be like, welcome back to the winner's video. Just wait, we'll see. Don't forget to comment down below for your chance to win. Please go vote. I'm gonna call mine the one with the, shoot, we have to pick an item. The one with the mini Bluetooth speaker, yeah, I'm gonna call mine the one with the mini Bluetooth speaker because I do think this is probably the coolest thing out of all of it. Like, all the other things I kind of already would own and use already, so we're gonna call it that. Please head over to Catherine's video if you have not watched it. Please watch both videos if you're gonna go vote. I will take a vote just because you just wanna vote for me because I want to win, but I would prefer if you voted after really looking at both bundles and actually deciding which one is the best one. So hopefully that means that I have the best one. I don't even know what Catherine has until I watch her videos. So while you're watching me right now, I am probably finding out like how hard it's gonna be to win. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.